sticky Affix Navbar using dynamic panel. So how we'll create? Let's see. We'll create one demo page. Now we'll drag and drop one box and we'll create one nav container. So here I'm giving shadow for container and we'll remove the border. Now we need to create a menus. So we'll keep in the container. We'll align to middle and here we'll name it home about services and blog. Now we'll select all and we can scale it. So next we'll check the alignment. So we'll select all and we'll increase the X value. Now what next? We'll select all. We'll remove border. We'll right click and we'll assign selection group. We'll say nav, right click and we'll give a style effect. So I'm going to give selected as a border bottom. So here is border and we'll remove top, left, right. Just we'll have border bottom. So here is a border thickness. We'll keep 2 and the border color, which is a line color here. So we'll select a border color here. So in preview it is visible. Now we'll say OK. Next we'll give on click effect. So while clicking on home, it should be selected state. For that, click or tab, set selected checked, this widget true. The same will do for the rest also. So this is done. Now next we'll select all and we'll make it as a group. So we can align now. Select this container, menu items and middle and center. So now we can see here, like selecting each and every element, we are not getting any dynamic panel where we can make it as a pin to browser and affix or sticky. So first we need to convert to dynamic panel, then we'll get the dynamic panel styles where we can change to sticky. So first we'll select all, right click, convert to the dynamic panel. Now we can say this nav. So here, after creating or converting to the dynamic panel, here I am getting never scroll, fit to contain 100% with browser only. So here we need to click on the pin to browser and we say check this. It will be a center, this nav, and this is top align. If you want in a middle align, you can say middle, and footer you can use a bottom. So here I am using the top. Now okay, what is the preview? So here we don't have the content which can make it like a sticky, so this is working fine. Now we'll add the content. So for adding a content, we'll take this and we'll just add more content as a dummy text. Now till here, scroll will visible because it is the limit of this height which is defined here. So let's preview. It is sticked and it is working fine. And suppose we'll take, well, this is a dynamic panel and here pin to browser. Suppose we'll take out this. So what will be the effect? See, it is going while I am scrolling. So we need to make it fix whatever we have done earlier. Like we'll select this, pin to browser and here. So there are many rules is given here, like we can horizontal pin, we can set as a left, right, we can add margin. It will be a top, middle and bottom. Suppose I have given the middle. So what will happen? We'll preview. So it is fixed on middle. So how we'll use that scenario here, or one more scenario is there, like a bottom. So it will be a fixed in bottom, right? So I will take you with each scenario. I will use this bottom, top and middle. So top is done here. And this is easy to make it a fix or a sticky header. So in next lesson, we'll see how we'll make it a tab where we can see the different tabs like a home, then about, services and blog. So here it is like a dummy text here. So in next lesson, we'll see how to create a tab and how to will give effect on a middle and a bottom. Thank you. Thank you very much.